limited partner. Okay, 10%, you have to pay 10% of the partnership, which is $1 million. I wish she has to pay $1 million, or she has to pay some money to become a limited partner. Number two, we have a partner. Okay, I'm a partner of Mr. Rahul. We have some employees. Employees are employees. Employees can become a limited partner by giving us money, by giving us property, but not by services. This is a key point. So, limited partnership. Can you read limited partnership?
A limited partnership may be formed to carry on any business that a general partnership may carry on. The principal feature of a limited partnership is that the liability of each limited partner is limited to the amount of money or other property that partner contributes. Pursuant to Section 7(1) of the LPA, a limited partner may contribute money or property to a limited partnership, but not services.
Not services. Point to be noted, not services. Where services are to become a owner of the corporation, not become a limited partner.
Or agree to contribute to the limited partnership as stated in the record of limited partners, which the limited partnership.
Then always two questions gonna come from limited partnership. Two questions, one or two for sure. Limited partners. So I'm trying to explore the issues. Before the class, we don't know what is sole proprietorship, what is partnership, what is corporation, joint venture, and franchisee. So again, I need your eye contact, guys. I want to set up my sole proprietorship. Advantage is it easily set up without paying more money. Big disadvantage, unlimited liability. Creditors will attack to my personal assets. This assets is belong to my sole proprietorship under my business. But this property is belong to my personal property. So creditor will hit to first here. If they are not satisfied, they're gonna hit to my personal assets. How can I reduce my personal liability? By insurance, by contract, which is sole proprietorship. What else? Partnership. Three kind of partnership. General partner. One. General partner. Okay. One partner make a signature. Rest of the partner are responsible for the action of the one employee. So it's a binding contract. If she was doing in a normal course of business, the defense is if unusual course of business, rest of the partners are not responsible. In order to establish partnership, whether written agreement is must be or maybe. Maybe written agreement, oral agreement, conduct of the parties, common view to profit, general partner, right? Then LLP, lawyers, chartered accountant, paralegal. Third one is limited partners. Limited partners, she want to become a limited partner. How she would become a limited partner? By paying money? No, sequence. First, always cash. Second, no services. Where services? Corporation, right? This is one done, right? How are we gonna tackle this? These are all small things, right? How dissolve a partnership? How partnership? Okay, don't worry about partnership. Then third one is joint venture. To become a partner, she's responsible. We are responsible. Joint venture. Whatever the issue is, what dissolve of the partnership, dissolving of the one partner is dead or one partner is bankrupt or insolvent. Partnership would be dissolved. Okay. Because I'm just trying to build a lot of information in this chapter, a lot of information. I'm going to explain you each and everything. Then, okay, jump into chapter number 18 because it's very related to partners. Okay, we have done sole proprietorship, we have done partnership. Now, creation of the corporation. Creation of the corporation. You know what? This is very important. Creation of the corporation. Chapter 19. Chapter 18. No, 18. 19. Creation of the corporation. Creation of the corporation. Hey guys, I need your eye contact. Create chapter 19, creation. Huh?
Yes.
Creation of the corporation. I want to create my own corporation. It's new. Yeah. Yeah, Pritima is here. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Creation of the corporation. We have to create a corporation. I'm not gonna become owner of the corporation. I have to create a corporation. Just think about it. I have to create a corporation. How can we create a corporation? Not owner of the corporation. To become an owner of the corporation is very easy. To buying a share. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. Creation, we have to create our own corporation. We have to create our own corporation. Okay, before we gonna, do you know article of incorporation?
Yes.
Article of incorporation.
Yes,
we
sir.
have to create his own corporation. So before we are bound by the act. If corporation is gone under federal, CB, Canadian business, if only provincial, then OB. It's the same. Okay, before we gonna set up any corporation, we have to look at what act said. We have to act accordingly. We have to act according to the act. What act said? Excuse me. We have to create a corporation. You, me, you, and you. We have to create a corporation. First job is we have to make an article of incorporation. How are we gonna make article of incorporation? First job is we have to open this book. Just do not open this book. This book will explain how we gonna make article of incorporation. Okay, first step is how we gonna make article of incorporation. Okay, ma'am, you have to write a article of incorporation on the notebook. Article. First very step is name. What is the name of the corporation? What is the name of the corporation? First step, in order to establish any corporation, first step, act gonna say you name of the corporation. So what kind of name? What's that mean?
A numbered company or a name company?
Number name, non-number name. McDonald's is a non-number name. Number company 327893 Canada Inc. 329878 Ontario Inc. Which is the number name. Non-number name is McDonald's, KFC, Tim Horton. We have to set up. Write it down, number, name, McDonald's, right? First step, you are writing an article of incorporation. Name is done. Then second step, address. We have to make address.
Service address.
Must be a address at all time. Once we gonna establish article of incorporation, first we gonna establish article of incorporation. That article of incorporation. You guys are with me, right?
Yes, sir.
So we okay, Kamal bhai, we are making article of corporation. We have to create a corporation. Okay, we have to create a corporation. First step, we have to build a article of incorporation. In the article of incorporation mean constitution of the company. Constitution of the company. Once we gonna make article of incorporation, Hudson Bay Company incorporated 1757. Article was in 1757. Still, article of incorporation we are bound. Hudson Bay is bound by the article. Article is a Canadian constitution. You understand? Same as Canadian constitution. We all people would be bound by the article of incorporation. We cannot make any provision in the article which is against the act. Act is like a godfather. Act is like a godfather. You have to make an article of incorporation. Any provision which cannot against